There's a whole bunch of fucking birds.
I know. They're everywhere. Yeah, I think you're right. I think they don't. Well, it is the time change.
Why the fuck are all these birds in the parking lot?
Because they're coming back north from the south in the winter.
And so they have to come to a fucking parking lot? Do they not have anywhere else to fucking go? This shit's fucking crazy. What the fuck? And they just moved. They're in the fucking parking lot. They're just fucking acting weird. What the fuck? I catch this. There's just a whole bunch of birds. What does this mean? Why are all the birds on the ground in the parking lot? There's no food here. There's nothing safe about being in a parking lot. They're birds. I'm rather concerned for such greatness in their numbers. They would be a ferocious force to face. I hope they have come in peace and that they will go in peace. Peace and love be upon you, Bird Kingdom.